Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Appleways. In today's video, we are going to see how you can fix your WhatsApp microphone not working on your iPhone. Well, this could be due to various reasons, so we are going to try to fix it. First thing to do is open your settings. And after opening your settings, now what you're going to do is scroll all the way down until you see the option of privacy and security. Here you can see under emergency SOS, privacy and security, tap on it. And then what you're going to do is scroll all the way down until you see the option of microphone. Here you can see the option of microphone, tap on it. And in here you can see these are the apps that you have allowed to use microphone, and in here search for WhatsApp and make sure that WhatsApp microphone is turned on. If WhatsApp is turned off like this, you can simply just tap on this toggle button and enable just like this. And if it still does not work, the next thing that you want to do is go to your main settings first. So now we are on the main settings, and now what you're going to do is tap on the search bar and start typing WhatsApp. So after typing WhatsApp, here you can see the option, tap on it, and this will take you to the settings of WhatsApp. And in here you can see the option of microphone right here, and it is turned on. So again, if it's turned off like this, you can tap on the toggle button and turn it on just like this. So hopefully this will work out, but if it still does not, you might have to check on your screen time, for which again go to the main settings. Now we are on the main settings, and now scroll down until you see the option of screen time. Here you can see the option, tap on it, and this will take you to the settings of your screen time, from which scroll all the way down until you see the option of content and privacy restrictions. Tap on it. And here you can see my content and privacy restrictions are turned on. If turning off this content and privacy restrictions does not affect any of your iPhone settings, you can simply just tap on this toggle button and turn it off just like this. And I think you should be good to going. But if it affects any kind of iPhone settings on your phone, you might want to scroll all the way down until you see the option of microphone. Under the Bluetooth sharing, here you can see the option, tap on it, and then check whether it is on don't allow changes. If it's on don't allow changes, simply just tap on allow changes, and that will be it. So if doing all of this still does not work, the last thing that you might want to do is reset all of your network settings, for which you have to again go to the settings. And after going to your settings, now tap on the general option. And after going to a general option, now scroll down all the way down until you see the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on it. And then you can see the option of reset. Tap on it. And then you can see the option of reset network settings. Tap on it. And you have to type down the passcode of your iPhone. And after typing down here, you can see the option of reset network settings one more time. Tap on it, and then all of your network settings will be reset to defaults, and hopefully this will work. If it does help you guys, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.